Hi, I'm Helen Leathers. I'm a women's confidence coach, trainer, and author. I use a variety of methods, traditional coaching, and also introducing tools and resources to help women in particular to increase their confidence. So they might be suffering from imposter syndrome, or it might be something like the confidence that they need to say no to things or put boundaries in place, or to perhaps put themselves first for a change. So primarily work with women, and I've also done some business coaching in the past and worked with business startups. My workshop at the Midlands Coaching Conference is entitled Coaching for Harmony, and it's about helping our coaching clients find a more harmonious way to live and to be. Life is full of conflict, and that conflict might be about the fact that we've got lots to do, we're feeling overwhelmed by all the pressures of work perhaps, and we want to stop, but we feel the need to keep ploughing on through. It might be feelings of guilt when you're working, guilt when you're taking time off, guilt when you're spending time with the kids, guilt when you're reading a book and you're relaxing, lots of guilt. So it causes inner conflict, and these moments of inner conflict can always also have an effect on our relationships, so they can create outer conflict. So my workshop is about tools and resources and methods that we can use to help our coaching clients to overcome those feelings of conflict and find a more harmonious way to be. One of the tools I want to introduce you to is the use of empowering female archetypes and how they can really help you to facilitate change in clients. It creates a kind of shortcut language that we can use to change from one state of being to another quite quickly and fairly simply. What am I most looking forward to about the conference? That's a tough one. There are so many things. There's lots of people coming that I won't have met before, so meeting new people is one of my favourite things, making new connections. But I really love learning new things, and I love finding the nuggets of information and thinking, how can I apply that? What difference can that make to me in my life? And I think that we're all, as coaches, intrigued. We have an inquiring mind. We want to find out more. And I think that there's so many people from different backgrounds and so many different ideas that will be flying around on the day, that there's going to be lots of golden nuggets to take away and to practice with, to integrate perhaps into our coaching and to find new ways of working, whether that's in promoting our businesses, getting new clients on board, or in our coaching practice itself. So yeah, so much to look forward to. It's really exciting.